Hi all! Today we will discuss about tape-in hair extensions. They lay flat on your head, making them look virtually undetectable. They can be washed and styled like natural hair. Go through its pros and cons, and you will be able to decide whether these hair extensions best match your lifestyle and needs. So let us find out what tape-in hair extensions are and why you must have them as your hair accessory. Tape-in extensions are natural human hair extensions that are attached to one's hair with a narrow piece of tape using medical-grade adhesive. Normally sold in a pack of 20 pieces weighing about 50 grams, tape-in extensions should be professionally installed in a salon environment. They look extremely natural and lifelike. Tape-in extensions do look like your own natural head of hair. Many of our customers have been wearing extensions for years, and their friends and colleagues never suspected a thing. Impress your special other with a thick head of voluminous and cascading hair. But keep in mind that not all hair is created equal. Matching hair density, texture, thickness, and the color is critical to pulling off a seamless look. When shopping for a new head of hair, look for 100% human hair, either European virgin or Remy. In technical terms, this means that the hair cuticle is intact and facing in the same direction. What that means to you is that you can style, dry, and iron the extensions just as you would your natural hair without fear of excessive tangles and matting. Taking care of your tape hair extensions. Hair maintenance is easy: wash, blow dry, flat iron, curl, scrunch, or tie them up in a loose braid. You can do anything you would with your natural hair. Like natural hair, extensions are most fragile when wet. Customers are advised to blast roots and bonds with a blow dryer before gently combing through them to untangle them. This helps prevent any complication related to the tugging of the wet bonds. Always sleep with your hair in a loose braid. It not only helps prevent any tangling during the night but also results in the world's easiest waves. Tape-in hair extensions, when maintained properly, may hold hairstyles better than your natural hair. It is a good idea to brush your hair at least twice a day. It will prevent hair extensions from matting and unscheduled calls for emergency hair appointments. Using a straightener or curling iron is also a breeze. It does not damage or reduce hair extensions' useful life. Pros of tape-in extensions: easy to install, meaning you will spend much less time at the salon. Invisible when installed correctly. Does not require changes in a daily hair routine. Great for ponytail, swimming, or exercises. Cons of tape-in extensions: cannot be combined with shampoos that use oils, alcohol, or ethanol. Require retaping every 3 to 4 months. Need to be careful while brushing or pulling hair. If you're thinking of getting tape-in hair extensions but are feeling overwhelmed with all the info out there, you've come to the right place. Hair International will take you through all the different types of hair extension methods that you need to know about and how to decide which one is right for you. If you need any information, drop us a mail or contact us through our customer support.